Okay, so we're doing some terrain mapping now. This map is over 1,000 acres, and it's got very high elevation changes. It's on the side of a mountain, and we also got some quarries going on here. Uh, Let me give you a really cool example. I already laid this out, so I got to turn on the annotations. So we got this huge hole here. Trucks drive down in here and pull material. So we can click on that and give a very accurate estimate of how much material it's going to take to fill that quarry in. Here's your material volume in cubic yards. That is a lot. Net volume, fill, cut, etc. So I think that's very neat. You can turn the annotations off, and you can look around. You can just see the changes, and you can go in and just see the artwork that was done over time here. This place is kind of abandoned, and I think they're looking to turn this into some residential area. So obviously they have a lot of work to do, and I could show you just how much work they have to do if we go to elevation. So right here you can see the high points and the low points, and this data is crucial to like civil contractors and earthworks. Uh, it just gives them a ton of info before they ever in the design phase and bidding phase of projects. So I think that's just super neat. Um, and another cool thing we can do, we can go and add contours to this site. So these contour lines is going to give you all your elevations. It's going to take a minute for it to start putting numbers on, because this is very a 1,000 acre site. But you can see the numbers are starting to come in, and this is above sea level, very accurate. Again, we fly RTK drones connected to the network and base station, uh, using ground control points. So our numbers are centimeter level accuracy. But you can see all these numbers popping up, and just see the elevation changes. I mean, to me, this is awesome. And this type of information is almost priceless to the contractors that's going to be bidding and doing this type of work. Yeah, I think this is really cool. And then you can go in, just turn these back off. Also, on the contours, you can change your line spread. If you don't need that much information, you can pull it back. Just wanted to share that. And then, you're exporting. You can export, the digital terrain model, as we were looking, in 2D or 3D. Um, you can export out a point cloud, and the point cloud exports are .las, .xyz, and .rcp. That is Autodesk Revit specific proprietary stuff right there. So that saves a lot of footwork for your department BIM management, to put that in there. But we're pulling up the point cloud right now. Um, there's millions and millions and millions of points in here, and let's say you were to export the point cloud. See, it's going to be, we're in Las Vegas, so this is the EPSG code 6521, U.S. survey feet, NAD 83, 2011, Nevada East. That's what we use here in Las Vegas. Let's give you some info while this is still uploading. You can export it in max points, and then it gives you options if your software can't handle that many points. I can take it down to 10 million, 5 million points, and so on. and export that out to you. You can use it, you know, in AutoCAD, Civil, BIM 360, QGIS, GIS software. I mean, there's a lot of programs you can work with these. You know, the point cloud's loading. You can see how many points are here. I mean, it almost looks, you know, I don't know how many point clouds you see, but a lot of point clouds that I see, they just got sporadic points in the sky and everywhere. And the software I use, it cleans it up pretty well, you know. Again, I've seen a lot of point clouds where, you know, you just got massive just points flying in the air, and you don't see that with the software that I use. So so yeah, I just wanted to go over this with you. So this is you know, kind of a terrain and point cloud digital elevation, you know, all in one video here for you. So this is Jeff with MCW LLC. Thanks again.